Our LedgerLok is a 1/2-inch lag replacement and specifically engineered and designed for attaching single and double ledger boards. They come in both 3 and 5/8 as well as 5 inches and are offered in the original hex drive. And in addition to that, we now have a flathead LedgerLok, which is going to feature nice maneuverability if you're going to go over with fascia or just user-friendly with the TORX drive. It does come equipped with the TORX number 40 TTAP, which has an extra button on the end of the bit to reduce wobble and reduce stripping out. The LedgerLok can be installed using either an impact driver or a standard drill. The flat head leaves you a nice, clean, flush look, and able to go over with any fascia. It doesn't get in the way of any joists.